Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable guest mode in Google Chrome. Let's begin. So if you open up your Google Chrome, it's going to say you're browsing as a guest. Pages you view in this window won't appear in the browser history, and they won't leave other traces like cookies on the computer. So what you basically need to do is you need to go to the top right corner. So on the right side of the search bar, it's going to say guest. So you're going to select it. After selecting it, you're going to go to the bottom here of this window and you're going to choose close guest, and then it's going to return you back to your normal Chrome web browser. So let's say that you want to go back maybe. What you need to do is you need to go to the top right again, and you're going to select this place where it says error or the three vertical dots, and then you're going to go to your profile, and then you go to other Chrome profiles and look for something which says open guest profile, and it's going to open up a guest profile for you. Then if you want to close, go back to the same place at the top right, select guest, then select close guest. There you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.